Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
A fairly fast, easy one today. Got a USB deal that's come apart and it just keeps coming apart really easy. You want to make sure you unplug it. So I'm plugging it from the computer. And basically this just needs to be re-glued. So I'm going to get one side on and don't so much want to glue it to the USB portion, just want to glue the two halves. So I've got some super glue here. It's a good idea to wear gloves with this stuff, but I'm not going to today. But we've got a little piercing deal in the cap. And pretty much every time I do this, I say next time I should wear gloves, because I wind up getting that stuff on my fingers. But anyway, here we go. So pierce it. It's pierced. Now we're going to twist on the applicator. There we go. And now I'm just carefully going to put it around just the plastic portion. Around the outside. And strangely enough, it's not flowing. There it is. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take the other half, and it's got the little keyed portion for the back, and just squeeze it together, and that's that. And I don't really want to mess with anymore. I'm doing this over an old envelope, something that's just disposable. There we go. Let that dry. I'll put my cap on. And that's that. And I got away without really getting anything on my fingers, so I'm glad for that. This should dry in fairly quickly, and that'll be that. I'm just going to prop it up here. Use my paper so it doesn't touch anything. And that's that. Fast fix for USB for my phone. Alright. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. We'll let that dry. Should dry up nice and strong.
Okay, here's a fast update a couple days later as I'm making the video. Holding up good. It's actually plugged in now and everything works really good. This is a Samsung like fast charger, charger for USB deal. But yep, nice easy fast fix. I didn't care too much how it looked. Could have been more careful here on could have wiped the glue after instead. But I don't care too much. It's more about the functionality of it, and it works good, holding good, and doing what I need it to do. Yeah, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. That's an easy one on the USB charger, and now I didn't have to buy another one, wait for it to be shipped or anything like that. So done deal. All fixed. All fixed. Now I'm about to plug it into the phone and use it to import to. I'm not sure what will happen if I plug this in while I'm recording. Let's see. Here goes. Okay. Plugged in, and it's now ready to import to the phone from the phone, even though I'm recording this video. Not sure how that works out. Obviously I need to stop it to be able to, it's doing like a temporary video. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it now, and I'll import that in, and we'll see what happens. And we'll go from there. Okay, so it did not import that temporary video, so I'll probably need to do that separately and unplug it and replug it back in and then import everything in.
Yep, it was a fun little experiment. Hope you liked it. Fast fix for a quick charger cable.